Section 16. 1. The Senate shall elect its President, and the House of Representatives its Speaker, by a majority vote of all its respective members. Each House shall choose such other officers as it may deem necessary. 2. A majority of each House shall constitute a quorum to do business, but a smaller number may adjourn from day to day, and may compel the attendance of absent members in such manner, and under such penalties, as such House may provide. 3. Each House may determine the rules of its proceedings, punish its members for disorderly behavior, and, with the concurrence of 2/3 of all its members, suspend or expel a member. A penalty of suspension, when imposed, shall not exceed 60 days. 4. Each House shall keep a journal of its proceedings, and from time to time publish the same, excepting such parts as may, in its judgment, affect national security, and the yeas and nays on any question shall, at the request of 1/5 of the members present, be entered in the journal. Each House shall also keep a record of its proceedings. 5. Neither House during the sessions of the Congress shall, without the consent of the other, adjourn for more than 3 days, nor to any other place than that in which the 2 Houses shall be sitting. Section 17. The Senate and the House of Representatives shall each have an electoral tribunal, which shall be the sole judge of all contests relating to the election, returns, and qualifications of their respective members. Each electoral tribunal shall be composed of 9 members, 3 of whom shall be justices of the Supreme Court to be designated by the Chief Justice, and the remaining 6 shall be members of the Senate or the House of Representatives, as the case may be, who shall be chosen on the basis of proportional representation from the political parties, and the parties or organizations registered under the party list system represented therein. The senior justice in the electoral tribunal shall be its chairman. Section 18. There shall be a commission on appointments consisting of the President of the Senate as ex officio chairman, 12 senators, and 12 members of the House of Representatives, elected by each House on the basis of proportional representation from the political parties and parties or organizations registered under the party list system represented therein. The chairman of the commission shall not vote, except in case of a tie. The commission shall act on all appointments submitted to it within 30 session days of the Congress from their submission. The commission shall rule by a majority vote of all the members. Section 19. The electoral tribunals and the commission on appointments shall be constituted within 30 days after the Senate and the House of Representatives shall have been organized with the election of the President and the Speaker. The commission on appointments shall meet only while the Congress is in session, at the call of its chairman or a majority of all its members, to discharge such powers and functions as are herein conferred upon it. Section 20. The records and books of accounts of the Congress shall be preserved and be open to the public in accordance with law, and such books shall be audited by the Commission on Audit, which shall publish annually an itemized list of amounts paid to and expenses incurred for each member.